Welcome to Introduction to Mobile Graphic Designing. In this course, we are going to talk about how to design with your mobile phone, how to become professional graphic designer with your mobile phone. But before we move to software we are going to use in this tutorial and also how to design with your mobile phone, it is important we talk about what graphic design means and also some basic of graphic designing. So let's get started. Now, welcome back. Let's start with definition of graphic design. Graphic design is the art and practice of communicating idea and pass message through textual content. It involves creating of icon, logo, flyer, and also infographic just to pass a message. Graphic designers use several techniques to design, which are composition, typography, and also color theory. You have to understand this so that you find it easy during color combination. So let's explain further and talk about color theory. When I was learning a graphic designing some years back, I always find it difficult to design using different color. Why? Because I have three favorite colors, which are blue, red, and white. So to design with this my favorite color is what is always give me. It's always challenge to me. So until I find this color theory, then until I find what color theory is all about, then I begin to have easy design. So today I'm going to talk about a little bit about this color theory. When we talk about color theory, what do we mean? Color theory is a set of principles that guide how to design with a color that match each other. It also helps us to understand how color relates to each other. There are several. This color theory have principle or guideline. It have its own class, which there are many, but today I'm going to look at three classes of this color theory or type, which are we have color wheel, we have color harmony, we have emotions, color emotions. So let's talk about this one by one. The first one, which is color wheel. Color wheel, this is showing in the screen, is combination of 12 different colors in this wheel. This wheel contains 12 different colors and it have three classes of colors. It combines three classes of color. The first group is primary color, which include red, blue, and yellow. And the second one is secondary colors. This is combination of purple, green, and violet. The tertiary color are combination of primary color and secondary color. So that is all about color wheel. There are more explanation to that, but I think we have to talk about this in a separate video. So let's talk about the color harmony. When we talk about color harmony, what do we mean? It is a principle that guides you to design with color that match each other, color that work together with each other. For instance, we have different type of color harmony. We have many of them. But in this video, I'm going to talk about three type of color harmony. So the first one, which is monochromatic. So like my fellow chemistry students, when we talk about mono it means one. Then chromatic can be like step by step. So monochromatic is one color in different state, like one color in different state. So when you are designing and you choose a color and you want another color to join together with this, then you are using a monochromatic type of design. So you have to choose in one class, in among one colors. For instance, when you are using a red, then you want to join another color with it, you have to look for another red color to join. So if you are using a light color as in your main color, then you have to choose a dark color, a red color to join. So this is what we mean by monochromatic. The second type of color harmony is complementary colors. So when we are talking about complementary colors, talk about colors that are complementary to each other. But when you look at this color wheel, then you pick a color as your main color, maybe a blue. The color that is opposite to this blue is what we mean by complementary. This color is complementary to the other one. So the color next to blue, opposite to blue, is complementary to blue. So this is what we mean by complementary colors. Then the last one, analog color. So when you look at this color wheel, then color that are close to each other, that are next to each other. For instance, let's choose blue. The color next to blue and next to another color, look at how they arrange them. The color next to each other is what we call an analog. Then the last, let's talk about the color and emotion. That is emotion. So in this, as a graphic designer, you have to understand that each of these colors represent emotions and mood. For instance, the blue color represents something like happiness, and the red one represents like energy, like power, energy, while the green represents maybe agriculture, life, and so you have to, when you are designing, you have to know all this, that okay, this color I'm using represents so you have to use this to pass the story, because the purpose of creating is for you to pass a message, like for you to tell a story. So if you have any question, I want to know in the comment section so that I'll treat the question before I move to next, which is typography. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time you're coming across this channel, my name is Yusuf Zakari Matafi.